Now, so that we can start our program, it is myself Sayana sir, and along with me, Navya madam. All you know your cups. Now, let us start our program. I request Navya madam to start the program and invite the guests.
Yes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, my dear students. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you to this bittersweet occasion as we come together to bid farewell to the students of SSC batch 2023 and 24. Myself, Navya Arjun, let's start our program. Now, first of all, I would like to invite a lady who doesn't need any introduction and who is known, all of us for her wisdom, knowledge, loyalty, and prompt work. She is none other than our principal ma'am, Mrs. Shweta madam. Please come forward.
Claps.
Please join us.
Claps. We have to welcome every guest onto the stage to host the dance to the principal madam.
Thank you, Srinidhi. Now I call upon Sai Sanskruta of 9th class come onto the stage to host the flag to the madam. Thank you, Sai Sanskrita.
Now, I would like to call Bhavani from 9th class to hold the dance to the salute.
As we all know that the SSC batch has successfully completed their academic year, and you are ready to set and start a brand new journey of your life. Who better to guide you than our dear principal ma'am for further? So I request our respected principal madam to enrich the students with our valuable words. Shweta ma'am, please come on to the dais. Please join your hands together.
special on the dais and off the dais. My dear staff and the students, wishing you a pleasant afternoon. Today we have gathered for the feast farewell for the 10th class. As I am glad to take an opportunity to present about my institution, our institution. School is a place where the child mounts towards the success. Today, we are here because of our hard work since 2010-11. It has been 14 years. The school is brought up with outstanding progress every year. Hopes of the students, interest towards curricular and non-curricular areas, we will build our past achievements and forgive on the new path for the future. Krishnaveni Talent School marks the excellence of the education for every student. We are proud to say that we have produced nearly 800 students till now. Our last batch are well settled, they could perform in good professions, and here we are to fulfill the desire of every student to feel themselves that they have courage to catch up the dreams. Programs are conducted on the educational aspects, so the child must gain the practical knowledge. We entitle every student in languages, maths and other subjects. We have minds, young minds. We reinforce the roots of the students as their base that we have. Today we see our students with more than 2 lakh income per month. And recently our orals got the best marks in the intermediate also. Every year we have organized many events to encourage the students in the different aspects. In the past, in the part of the improvement of the leadership quality, communication skills and interactions, we conducted a prestigious program in our school recently, the elections. Future with our schools, and this is the opportunity. I want to thank all my staff and our young and dynamic directors, sir, who have given the best opportunities to improve the children. Every farewell ceremony for every student is addressed with a farewell speech by the principal to make them feel special. A farewell ambassador proceeding to the new direction or the career, leaving the positivities. This speech is a warm and loving way to say the goodbye to those with whom they spent their memories. Finally, I would like to say, my students, this isn't a goodbye or a comeback, but on the behalf of the whole institution, the best of luck for your future, and hope you find the appropriate opportunity, success that you would work hard in the future. And with that, I want to guide one more thing. There is a popular saying in English that as you sow, so you reap. So whatever the hard work, dedication you are putting in this upcoming 5 years, the best results are yet to come. So these all 5 years are very precious in the student life. So all the best students, make yourself proud, make the parents proud, and make us also proud. Thank you.
This institution, and the batch is going. The time comes and goes, but the memories last forever in your hearts. Further, you will collect more memories in another part of your life. So, from my side also, best of luck for the 10 students. Before we begin our cultural activities, I would like to take the lead from the dais by holding this responsibility to 9th class students. So please join hands together for Vaishali and Abhigna. Your
eventually, your today's host. I want to welcome you all to this beautiful gathering. Good morning. This is Amika of class 9. Extreme pleasure to welcome each one of you present over here. It is wonderful to see you all on this sunny day. I guarantee you, next few hours will be delightful and memorable one. Guys, now it is time to get on the dance floor and show some kukas and start. We have a list of members compiled just for you. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready? Yes. Louder. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin the program with a solo dance by our super duper dance performer Sai Sanskrita of class 9. Give a big round of applause. But the school is a very amazing place. There are some tears, but they are plenty of smiles. minds. As we know that it takes turn, but we all the teachers are proud of teachers and all the people. But for us, we are all the heroes. We are heroes. Thank you for teaching us very well throughout this year. We respect you what you have done all this year. Thank you for teaching us the lessons with a real life example. A literary wisdom by most of your teachers and my friends. As we know that the school days are most memorable days for us. Thank you for giving this part of the hold your ring and join your hands together to welcome the next dance performer for 9th class, Sri Lakshmi.
moving to the another milestone. So I will tell you an example. So according to the biology, so in the fruits, what are present? The seeds are there. So the seeds are dispersed by the different types of the mediums: weeds, water, air, hydroponics. So finally, ultimately, where it is reached, so on that place, so it will grow, germinate, and it will survive as a new plant. So like that, we are ended here. But where we are reaching? So from where we are started, so that is not important. So ultimately, where we are reaching. So that is important. So I will wish you all the success. So you will get all the success in your future. Thank you all. So in the school days, so many number of the punishments are there, handbags are there. So that is the part of the education. So that is not. So every student is very good and you are studying very well. So keep going, keep rocking, and you will success in your future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. While you are teaching, you are starting 10th March, you are motivated us very well. Up to 18th March, our final exams. Still, you are hoping we are in the bright future. You are motivated. Thank you very much, sir. And I want to give to mic to William sir, such a bright sir. He promoted to higher, but our future, he used to teach our in a bright way, in a bright steps into the world to create our own paths. I would like to gain opinion on us.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I congratulate. Why I am congratulating is that already we have made the success. I feel that you have been in a stage of success. So as per my subjects, I feel very happy with all my students because you have made. I think I have, as per my knowledge, I have given you some knowledge, but acquiring that is it is in your hands. So every time when I used to teach you, I used to think or I wanted to teach you in a good way. That means in a good method. That means in a new method. Yeah. So whatever it may be, now you are going to start a new life. Whatever it has happened till today, you have enjoyed a lot. Now you are stepping into the new life. This distractions, everything. So success is not an easy one because in our childhood age we have taken everything easy. But while coming to this stage, we should have. I am remembering that my childhood ages. That means my whenever I have completed my SSC. So 3 things I will say you have to remember in your life is. One thing is that loving others. The second thing is that ఏంటంటే ఇతరులని క్షమించడం. Third thing is that understanding. So life లో ఈ 3 మనం నేర్చుకుంటే there is no disturbance in life. Because ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఇతరులను క్షమించే గుణం మనకు ఉంటుందో ఆటోమేటిక్గా మన లైఫ్ అనేది ముందుకెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సమాజంలో అంటే ఇప్పుడున్న సొసైటీలో చాలా మనం చూసుకుంటాం. ప్రతి గొడవకి కారణం ఒక చిన్న మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్. సో ఆ మిస్అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అనేది ఈ ఏజ్ నుంచి మనం ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఈ ఏజ్ నుంచి మనం దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోగలుగుతామో, క్షమించగలుగుతామో, సో యువర్ లైఫ్ విల్ బి వెరీ హ్యాపీ. సో చాలా మంది అల్లరి చేసుకున్నాను. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ కామన్ ఇన్ స్టూడెంట్ ఏజ్. బట్ ఇప్పుడు మీ కొత్త లైఫ్లోకి మీరు ఎంట్రీ అవుతున్నారు. ఇక్కడ చెప్పడానికి మేము లేవు. ఎందుకంటే మన దగ్గర ఇంటర్మీడియట్ టీచర్స్ ఉన్నారు, లెక్చరర్స్ ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి అక్కడ ఎవరైనా చెప్పరు మీరు. యువర్ లైఫ్ ఈజ్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ యూ, యువర్ వే ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ అండ్ యువర్ వే ఆఫ్ బిహేవింగ్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ నౌ. ఇప్పటి వరకు మా చేతిలో ఉండే, మీ పేరెంట్స్ చేతిలో ఉండే, ఇప్పుడు మీ చేతిలో. So when you are taking a new decision, it should be wise. చాలా మోరల్ స్టోరీస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో వినే ఉంటారు. అవన్నీ ఏంటంటే మన లైఫ్లో ఫ్యూచర్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది అనే దానికి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మాత్రమే. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ మే బి, ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు ఏ విధంగా అయితే ఉన్నారో ఇంకా బెటర్, దట్ మీన్స్ ఐ విష్ యూ షుడ్ బి వెరీ బెటర్ దెన్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ స్టిల్ టుడే. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మాకు ఒక కొత్త బ్యాచ్ వస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి ఇయర్ కూడా మేము ఈ ఫేర్వెల్స్ జరుపుతూనే ఉంటాము. బట్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ విల్ బీ ద స్పెషల్ వన్స్. మీరు మాకు ప్రత్యేకం, ప్రతిసారి కూడా మేము మాకు ప్రత్యేకం అంటున్నాం. సో టీచింగ్ టు ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఎందుకంటే కొన్ని నియర్లీ అబౌట్ 5 to 6 years I am teaching in a Christian school. I felt very happy with each and every batch. I feel too very happy with this batch actually. Thank you and all the best.
Here from our Telugu Ramesh sir.
వీడ్కోలు తీసుకొని జీవితంలో ముందుకు వెళ్ళిపోతున్న అందరికీ ఆశిస్తున్నాను. జీవితంలో ప్రతి దశలో మనం ముందుకెళ్ళాలంటే ఎవరినో ఒకరి వెళ్ళిపోవడానికి, అది వదిలి వెళ్ళడం కాదు, మనం ఇంకా ఎంతో గొప్ప స్థాయికి చేరుకోవడానికి వెళ్తున్నాం అనుకొని సంతోషంగా వెళ్ళాలి. కాబట్టి దీని వరకు ఈ బర్త్డేని సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. మీరంటూ నాకు ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం నా టీచర్ లైఫ్లో నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇదే క్లాస్ ఇదే ఇయర్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. నాకు నేను చెప్పిన ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ మీరే కాబట్టి తప్పులు అనేది ప్రతి ఒక్కరు చేస్తాం. లైఫ్లో తప్పు చేయని వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. కాబట్టి తప్పులు ఎలా సరిదిద్దుకున్నాము, రేపటి రోజు ఆ తప్పులు జరగకుండా ఎలా చూసుకున్నాము దాన్ని బట్టి మన యొక్క స్థాయి అనేది ఏర్పడుతుంది. కాబట్టి లైఫ్లో మీరు చేసిన తప్పుల్ని మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు రిపీట్ చేయకుండా మీరు ఇంకా భవిష్యత్తులో ఎన్నో గొప్ప విజయాలు సాధించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే మనం ఎంత గొప్ప స్థాయికి వెళ్ళినా మనకు మన తల్లిదండ్రులను, మన చదువు చెప్పిన గురువులను మరియు మన బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరిని కూడా మర్చిపోవద్దు. అలా మర్చిపోతే మనం సంస్కారంలో ఉంటాం. కాబట్టి సంస్కారం లేని చదువు ఎంత చదివినా వేస్టే. కాబట్టి మీరందరూ లైఫ్లో ఒక గొప్ప సంస్కారవంతులుగా ఎంతో గొప్ప స్థాయికి ఎదగాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ సరే.
Thank you, Pastor. I want to call Kritikas boys come onto the stage. High school, the legend in the field of education, is successfully running for more than 10 years. So I have worked in this school previously, and again I have entered in this year. I am very lucky. The best 10th class batch I got. I want to say sweet and short. I will not take a long time. So we know the train. The train starts from one platform and it starts from one section and reaches to the other section. In middle there are so many stations. The passengers will go on leave. New passengers will enter into the train. When the passenger will get its stop, he will come out. New passengers will enter into the train to go to their destiny. The same way, students, you are in a train of life. You are in the journey of life. So you are in the train. Now your first step is to go out from the train. So you are now first station in your life. మీరంతా ఇప్పుడు ట్రైన్లో నుంచి వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ స్టేషన్లో దిగారు. ఇంకా చాలా స్టేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీరు వెళ్ళాల్సినవి. సో డోంట్ ఫియర్, బీ కరేజ్, బిలీవ్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, ఫాలో యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్. ఫస్ట్ గాడ్ ఈజ్ పేరెంట్. మనం భూమి మీదకి వచ్చినామంటే కారణం మన తల్లిదండ్రులు. వాళ్ళు లేదు లేరు, మనం లేదు. సో the real God is father and mother. Don't forget them. Don't misguide your parents. Don't misguide your life, way of life. So the journey of my first step is from this onwards, don't take any wrong steps and follow the guidelines of your teachers and next coming lecturers. Next in the way of academic year, we have done so many silly things. And we have punished a lot. Hello boys, punishment ఇచ్చినా మేము. సో ఏది చేసినా పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు మంచిగా. మనకు తెలుగులో ఒక మంచిగా ఒక సామెత ఉంటుంది, ఒక మంచి స్టోరీ. శిల అంటే తెలుసా మనకు? రాయి. 2 రాళ్ళు ఉన్నాయంట. ఆ 2 రాళ్ళు, ఒక రాయి శిల్పి చెక్కి దాన్ని దేవుడిని తయారు చేసిండు, దేవుడిని ఓడిపోయి. ఇంకో రాయి అనర్పుని భరించలేదు, దాన్ని అలా వాడేసారు. అందరు దాన్ని తప్పుకొని వస్తుంది, దర్వాజలో ఉంది అది. ఒక రాయేమో గర్భగుడిలో ఉంది. ఈ 2 రాళ్ళకి తేడా ఏంటి? ఒక రాయేమో అందరు మొక్కుతుంది, ఒక రాయేమో తప్పుతుంది. సో మనం ఏ రాయి కావాలనుకుంటున్నామో డిసైడ్ చేసుకోండి లేదు. సో ఎందుకంటే కొంచెం తెలుసుకోలేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఒకవేళ మీకు పనిష్మెంట్ ఇచ్చుంటే మీ మంచి కొరకే, అది తిట్టి ఉంటే మీ మంచి కొరకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఒకటే రోజు ఉంది మనకి, మన లైఫ్ ఏంటి, మనం ఏం జరిగినా ఈ సంవత్సరం, ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు ఎంత కష్టపడ్డాము. ఎప్పుడు మన రిజల్ట్? దట్ ఈస్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ టుమారో. Tuesday is there. So all of you be ready with your smiling faces because you are studied in Krishnaveni Talent School, Khanapur. So I hope you don't have fear because you are trained up under the big experience of faculty and managing directors. So I'm thanking you for giving this opportunity. Ritika, where are you? So once again, thank you.
So bright, we definitely on Sunday, Tuesday, we definitely keep going on with smiling only. You did like that to us, and there is coming to answer. No much to say about him. It's a best personality and take total burden of failures. Without shy, he makes everything and takes burden a total of our failures and our failures events. He just like Srinivasa Ramanujan. He made us a very bright, and he just say a few things that in our life we have been sad by addition, subtraction and multiplication. We want to listen once again about that words.
Good afternoon, Manada. Good afternoon, Manada. Very good afternoon, Manada. Today, all we are gathered here to celebrate farewell SSC 2023-24 batch. It is organized by the 9th class students. So, myself, I am Ramesh, the mathematics teacher and also 9th class teacher. First, I would like to say thanks to our 9th class students to organize this in a good manner. Within a short time, they will prepare. Okay, now? So, when I am coming to KDS, this batch is 4th class. The 3rd and 4th class students. At that time, some members are coming like a very pretty boys and girls. They are asking about the addition and subtraction. Whenever I am teaching to them also, they will ask how to do addition and how to do the subtraction. Some of my persons are very there and they are asking how to do addition, how to do subtraction, and they are learning something. And Ritika is asking one word. So if you are converted the mathematical 4 equations into our life, so always add happiness to your life. Always add happiness to your life and subtract sadness from your life. Add happiness to your life, subtract sadness from your life, and multiply with your hard work. Do the hard work with the multiplication and you will get the result as a success. And if you are doing the division with your enthusiasm, you will get the result as a wonderful manner and you reach your goal with the success of results. Thank you, Ma. And I completed my 10th class during the academic year 1998 and 99. This is the 25th year. So I remember my 25th years back days. So at that time, one of my friends asked on the stage, how you are feeling? So during the farewell, I observed a lot of investors as Chandu sir said how the seed is growing and how food is giving away. And William sir said how the persons are useful for the society after completion of the education. So you have to select the right path. Or Sayana sir said, God said, you have to give the respect to your parents. That is must. So because without parent, nothing is there. You have to give the respect for your parents. So who is the second parent? Who is the second parent? Yes, you have to give the respect to the teachers because the second parents are the teachers. And I don't want to bore you, Amma. Simply I will say one word and I will conclude my speech. So if you are losing money, you are noticing, I think if you are losing money, everything is lost. Nothing, Amma. If you are losing your money, just nothing is lost. If you are losing the money, nothing is lost. If you are losing the education, something is lost. If you are losing the education, something is lost. That much amount of importance is there for the education. But if you are losing your character, everything is lost. So you all members have a good character and when we are teaching, we observe, you all are a good persons. That is your age, you are making some noise, you are giving some, okay, some punishments like that. But it is not for the, just it is for the sake of your improvement in your future. So we don't have any other things in our mind, just we are only giving a punishment for your sake of improvement of your subject or improvement in your marks, like that only. Don't take it as a punishment like that. Just we are encouraging to improve your knowledge only. So, okay, ma. So my students are having very good character because in our KDS we are going to learn not only the education, we are going to learn that character build-up is also important. Without a good character, you cannot succeed in your life. With a good character, must you succeed in your life. And always, I am saying, today also I am repeating that word. So, we have such a wonderful management in a Kanapur. This is a remote area. Okay, you all members are thinking Hyderabad, Karnataka, Warangal, it is different. But in the Kanapur, doing the day and providing this much of highly faculties, lot members are coming from the colleges. And here, introducing the IIT is the greater concept in the Kanapur. Why? Because if you are going to learn these IIT concepts in the around a district level, like a Nirmal, Karimnagar, you have to spend nearly about 50 to 75,000. If you are going to learn, this is nearly about in Hyderabad like stations, you have to spend minimum 1,50,000 rupees. But here we are providing with a less huge fees. So we have to give a big round of applause for this, for the management of KDS Kanapur. And so this year we are introduced IIT concept. So more than 90% we succeed in that. And from the starting onwards, 2011 academic year onwards, KDS is going to create the records and that records is going to break by the next batch KDS students only. They never break the records of KDS from other schools. And this year also, we are going to rock the 10th class results. 100% we are going to get a 100% pass percentage, and we are going to get again district first rank in the Kandapur Mandal. So from last 14 years, we are getting a good results. Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Full gorgeous madams. There are only one and all just two teachers, Hemalata madam and Shweta madam. Whereas coming to Hemalata madam, we are in first class from that. She is our wonderful mother teacher. Only we say nothing to say about her. And we want to take an opinion on us, madam. That's it. Your language only.
Respected our principal sir, मैडम और अध्यापक गणों को और छात्रों को मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी फेयरवेल। और यहाँ जैसे रस्सी से पत्थर को काट सकते हैं, वैसे ही हम भी जब बचपन से ही आपको यह सिखाते आ रहे हैं अच्छे यानी हम जो भी है पहले हमारे माता पिता जो कहते हैं उसका बात सुनना है, और दूसरा है हमारे अध्यापक, उनके भी विचारों से हम जैसे भी रस्सी से पत्थर को हम काट सकते हैं, वैसे ही हम भी अच्छे अंक प्राप्त करके हमारे स्कूल को और माता पिता को अच्छे वाह या मेरी
धन्यवाद मेरी प्यारी अध्यापिका जी। And whereas coming to Shweta madam, no words because we are in 8th class. She taught us a physics. We don't know up to 9th class. She takes us an English teacher. She says only 3 words: discipline, dedication, and determination makes you success in your life. And she motivates very much in our lessons, classes. Not us in the chapters. She makes us in successful people. She says in a very professionally. No words to say about my Shweta madam. Please, madam, can you say?
Thank you, Ritika. Thank you all the 10th class batch. I'll make it very short, okay? Here we are building up you the good character, good educations. We are teaching you moral values, ethics. I hope you take away the same thing and continue in your future. And you, from here, you are beginning your life from here. This is 10th class is a milestone for you, and all the upcoming years are awaiting for you with the bright smiles and good success and hard work. I like to tell the students, only commitment, dedication is important in the life. The work you are doing, whether it is a small or big, not matters. How perfectly you are done the work, it is important. Whether you are reading a small answer, big answer, long answer, any answer or word, whatever you are doing, even filling a water in the bottle is important. How perfectly you are doing, that matters in their life. The small things makes a large change in your life. Yes, maintain that and good luck. And I have been little bit harsh to the boys and girls in the class sessions. Even I have given strict punishment, not for the girls, especially for the boys. This is about for your future only. We don't have any personal issues regarding you. So one day you achieve something, we feel proud, not to you. We feel, yes, my student is standing in the top 3, I feel. So some of the members are my students, I taught them. I want that day to come. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, my dear teachers and sirs. They are the best teachers in the world. We express our gratitude towards my teachers. They are only the wonderful and talented, amazing faculty we gain from our KTS management. And we are sure that last request from our 10th, 23, 24 batch. Without you, sir, nobody is there. Our Hyderabad Krishnaveni Talent School just started in 2011 to 2012 batch. From that batch up to still now, we gained 100% results from the last previous batches. We hope that still next step in our new world, they made us not like own children. They feel like own children and they make courageous to all in our own hearts of our my dear friends. They made super duper facilities and made to we not feel bad from the management, KTS management. We feel wonderful, sir. We are being one of the students from KTS management. Sir, how do you feel?
Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. So, 2010-11 establishment మన నానపూర్లో కృష్ణవేణి టాలెంట్ స్కూల్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏ రకమైన ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ ఉన్నానో సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ కోవిడ్ ఈ నెక్స్ట్ 2 daysలో వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ మీకంటే ముందు ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్. ఎందుకంటే కోవిడ్ తర్వాత ఎన్నో చేంజెస్ వచ్చింది. తర్వాత ఫ్రెష్ బ్యాచ్ అంటే మీదే. మీకు ప్రతిసారి క్లాస్లో చెప్తాను ఏమని, ఆఫ్టర్ కోవిడ్ ఎన్నో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తోటి ప్రైవేట్ స్కూల్స్ పైన ఎఫెక్ట్ అయింది. అయినా మన నానపూర్లో ఉన్న పేరెంట్స్ ఇప్పటికీ మన కృష్ణవేణి నమ్ముతారు అంటే ఇదే ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఏం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కావాలి మీకు ఇప్పుడు? టీచర్సే. స్కూల్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ చేయడం ఒక అంటే దాన్ని నిలబెట్టుకోవడం. దాంట్లో మెయిన్ పాత్రలు కానీ సూత్రధారులు కానీ మెయిన్ ఎఫెక్టివ్లీ చాలా క్వాలిఫైడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి అంటే మంచి క్వాలిఫైడ్ టీచర్స్ కావాలి. మీరు ఈ రకంగా ఉండాలంటే దానికి మెయిన్ కారణం ఏంటి? టీచర్సే. అటువంటి టీచర్స్ని ఇవ్వడం అంటే అందులో చేయలేదు. సో అందులో మన నానపూర్ కృష్ణవేణిలో 100% టీచర్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉన్నారు. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ హై స్కూల్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ గారు ప్రైమరీ ప్రీ ప్రైమరీ టీచర్స్ని తీసుకోండి. కృష్ణ గారు ఇప్పుడు వీడియో తీస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు దాదాపు యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారు. అక్కడ వీడియోస్ చూడండి. అందులో ఏ టీచర్ కూడా చేంజ్ చేయాలి ఎప్పుడు కూడా. గత 14 years నుండి రిపోర్టర్స్ ఉంటారు, ఇక్కడ పాత్రికేయ మిత్రులు వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళు న్యూస్ రాస్తారు. అందులో సేమ్ యాజ్ మ్యాటర్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ అక్కడ టీచర్స్ కూడా చేంజ్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడ మెయిన్ సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది కృష్ణవేణి అంటే టీచర్స్ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ ఏమి ఒకే అనుకుంటే టీచర్స్ మెయిన్. మీకు పర్ఫెక్ట్ క్వాలిఫైడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ రావాలి అంటే టీచర్సే మేడం, అందులో వేరేది ఏం లేదు. ఇక్కడ మీరు కృష్ణవేణి స్కూల్లో మీ పేరెంట్స్ దేని గురించి ఏం చేశారు? ఇక్కడ బెస్ట్ టీచర్స్ అంటే ఇది రిజల్ట్ బట్టి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ కోవిడ్ కూడా మన స్కూల్ నుండి మీరు బిఫోర్ కోవిడ్ మీరు వేరే స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళలేదు. ఎందుకు? అక్కడ అదే ఒక నమ్మకం, కృష్ణవేణి పైన నమ్మకం. సో దీనికి మెయిన్ కారణం మీ పేరెంట్స్. మీ పేరెంట్స్ లేకపోతే మీరు ఇక్కడ లేరు. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇంతమంది టీచర్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఇంతమంది టీచర్స్ ఉన్నా మీరు లేకుండా వేస్టే. మీ పేరెంట్స్ మీద ఇక్కడ ఈ స్కూల్లో చేయకపోతే కూడా వేస్ట్ కదా. రిజల్ట్ రావడానికి మెయిన్ కారకులు 100% పేరెంట్స్ అన్నా. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు చెప్పిన మాట్లాడండి. 10th class వరకు మన దగ్గర ఏ రకమైతే మీకు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కావాలో ఆ రకమైన ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి వెళ్తారు కాబట్టి 100% ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో సార్ ఇప్పుడు మన రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ రిజల్ట్ ఇది లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ టాపర్ అమ్మాయి స్టేట్ 2nd ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక అమ్మాయి కూడా స్టేట్ 3rd ర్యాంక్ వచ్చింది. సో ఆ రకంగా వాళ్ళ నేమ్స్ చెప్పుకోవడానికి మీ నేమ్స్ రావాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇదంతా అవుతుంది. నాకు ఏం కావాలి? నెక్స్ట్ మీ నేమ్స్ మళ్ళీ మేము నెక్స్ట్ ఫేర్వెల్లో మీ నేమ్స్ చెప్పుకోవాలనుకుంటే ఏం కావాలి? ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో మళ్ళీ ఆటోమేటిక్ మంచి పర్ఫెక్ట్ రిజల్ట్ రావాలి. దాన్ని ఏం లేదు. సో ఇదే రకంగా మన కృష్ణవేణి టాలెంట్ స్కూల్ని ఆదరిస్తున్న పేరెంట్స్ కానీ ఇదే రకంగా ఆదరించండి. 100% 14 years కాదు, ఇంకా 14 years అయినా కానీ ఆటోమేటిక్ కృష్ణవేణి టాలెంట్ స్కూల్ ఇదే రకంగా ఉంటుంది. ఇదే రకమైన మంచి క్వాలిఫైడ్ టీచర్స్ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ముఖ్యంగా పేరెంట్స్ తెలియజేసేది ఏమనగా మనం కృష్ణవేణి టాలెంట్ స్కూల్లో 100% రిజల్ట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో పిల్లల్ని ఇక్కడ
From every batch, and thank you one and all with the
Chokar, for your good idea. Chokar.
In my school life, I want to give, I'm not a suggestible person to you, my dear juniors, but I want to give a best things that please cooperate with my teachers. I don't hesitate. Then chapter teaching, please cooperate. I don't know who will stay in our best school, Krishnaveni Talent School. Who want to go? Please don't go. You need to spend with your teachers. I need to listen a beautiful chapters and make sure successful in your life. I please thank you one and all by spending your valuable time for my speech. I taken an opportunity to express my memories. I taken opinions from my teachers and especially from director sir. I think this is the first to tell about our batches from director sir. I feel very proud. I taken an opportunity. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity from my Hyderabad Krishnaveni Talent School. I need to end my speech. Thank you everyone. It was really a touching moment for both teachers and students. I hope you will all follow the suggestion what I have given to you.
Now I would like to invite one of my friends from 9th class. She's none other than P. Kirtana. Please come on and dance. Yes, Kirtana.
A very good afternoon to the respected actress and director madam. A very good afternoon to the respected director chair, director madam, respected principal ma'am, other non-teaching staff, and my dear friends and my seniors. Myself, P. Kirtana from 9th standard. As you all are aware that today we have assembled here to celebrate a very special event, that is our farewell. Let us make this farewell the best farewell in the history of our school and the most memorable one our school has ever seen. My respected seniors, today you are taking off from the school life and entering into the college life to begin your career for a bright future. And the day has come here to break your long bond with your friends and teachers. Thank you seniors for being a role model, mentors and friends throughout your school journey. You are left an undeniable mark on the school and on us. It is very difficult for us to say goodbye to you. Always remember where you are going, but never forget where you are came from. Please never forget us. Work hard until and unless you found out your destination. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life which you have imagined. We always need you and your assistance in the future. I'm extremely thankful to the school management for giving me this opportunity of delivering this speech. Thank you.
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలమనోడు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గచ్చగడి దగ్గర పోదు నిండు రాత్రి
I would like to hand over responsibility to my Kanmoga and Shrindi. I would like to invite
Sorry, Muksha. Wait for a few minutes. Take a rest. I think just now only you have completed your performance. So, as your director sir mentioned before a few minutes, we have to recall your names. When we recall your names, if you are succeeding in your life. So, last year one of our child, Gundedi Rishita. She got 10 by 10 during the last academic year. Now she is the state second topper. So let's give her a big round of applause. So G. Rishita, daughter of Lakshmi Narayana Garu from Tarlapadu village. So she got state second rank by PC. And one more person from our school last year completed Saishta Tarunam. So daughter of Tabassum Garu and Mazal. Zamil and Tabassum Garu. So she got 436 marks out of 440 marks. She got a state third rank. So let us give her a big round of applause. And these two members, we don't want to take the other person as there is. And inspiration to us. We have to take the inspiration, the persons who are completed in KTS only. So now we have a small responsibility to felicitate them, to do the felicitation. Now I would like to invite our KTS management, Director Sir, Sri Srinivas Garu, please come on to the dais with a huge round of applause, and Kirti Madam, please come on to the dais. Along with our Principal Madam, with some respect, not a sufficient happiness, but whenever our child got a good result, we feel really happy. So from last 20 years, I am feeling much happy by seeing my students. Now I would like to invite Gundedi Rishita, along with her father, Lakshmi Narayana Garu, please come on to the dais. I request our Director Sir, so please, the felicitation with Shalva. Sir, Lakshmi Narayana Garu, you have to sit. So just now only we said, if you are giving respect to the parents, so this is the respect of parents. So if you got something, that should be shared by your parents also. So now, a small felicitation for Rishita. Congratulations, Amma. Congratulations, Rishita. I want a few words from you for inspiration of your juniors. Rishita. So when she started her 10th class, we feel that she is going to get more than 9.5. Frankly, I am saying she is going to get more than 9.5. But whenever starting our semester exams, I observed something different in her eyes. So crucially, she did a hard work and she got 10 by 10 and district first rank here, and she also got a medal from the district collector and DO. And similarly, she joined intermediate. So when she joined intermediate also, she is having some confusion, which group I have to take. And finally, she decided and joined in BPC. So just by losing 1 mark, she lost a state first rank, but second is not an easy rank. She got 437 marks out of 440 marks. She got a state second rank. So now I want to know what's her feeling first of all. So how hard work is going in KTS?
Good afternoon to all. Thanks for inviting to me this program. I feel so happy. Thank you.
Okay, ma, this is our responsibility to invite our previous children who succeed. 100%, ma. So, want to share a small feeling with. Okay, ma. Thank you, Rishita. Thank you, Lakshmi Narayana Garu. So, stop. Please be here only. Now, I am going to invite Saishta along with her mother. Please come on to the dais. No problem, man. Let us give him a big round of applause to him. First. She got 436 marks out of 440 marks. She got a state third rank. Nokia madam, join with her. Yes. Faculty, all the faculties, please come on to the dais. Madams, come first.
డైరెక్టర్ గా మీరు ఉన్నారు సరిపోతుంది ఏ నాని
Saishta, congratulations to you, and I want to say a few words to your juniors, how you prepared, how you got everything.
First of all, I thank Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, and Director Madam for inviting me here. I'm so happy. I have no words to say here. Thank you all sirs and teachers and Christian staff. Thank you.
Sayana sir. Sayana sir. Nokia madam and Sayana sir, please come on to the dais. This is the part of yours.
Then, after that, let's witness the dance performances first. One is solo and one is group dance is there. By the 10th class, I know I'm standing between your lunch and you. So, it will take very less time. Within 15 to 20 minutes, we'll complete our program. Then we'll proceed, some felicitation is there. After that, we'll proceed to lunch. So, I would like to invite Manisha from 9th standard. Please welcome her for her performance.
ఈ పిచ్చి పిచ్చి కాకుండా మనం ఇస్తే ఎవరు మాట్లాడదాం రెడ్డి గారు బైఫ్రెస్ పైసలు శేఖర్ సార్ ఇది బాగా ఏ సర్టిఫికెట్ వచ్చారు అదే పెట్టమ్మా మనం ముచ్చట చెప్పుకున్నాం పండు గాలికి వండి వస్తుల మస్తు పెట్టండి బచ్చాగాళ్ళ బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చిన మండే సుట్టు ఇంకేసారి సముల మధు కోసం ఎదుగుతానే రగట్టుకొని చెడు వీరు మెరిసినట్టు కట్టిన బిర్యానీకి పొట్టు పిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు మీద సంద మామ సుఖ శంకరు
Shri Hemalata garu, please come on to the dais. Let's give her a big round of applause. Hemalata madam, please come on to the dais. We all members know the blood groups. Yes or no? In your biology, you all members know the blood groups A, B, AB, and O. So with that, In our society, one more blood group is also there. That is vitamin M. Sorry, blood group M. So to run the society, we need money is must. Yes or no? So how much hard-working faculty is also there to run the society? They require amount. So for that, we have. వాళ్ళు అప్పుడే ఓనమాల కాడికి మొదలు పెడుతుంటే వాళ్ళ పదాలు వాళ్ళ యొక్క అక్షరాలు పలికిస్తూ వారిలో ఉన్న సృజనాత్మకతను గుర్తిస్తూ వాళ్ళని ఎంతో ప్రోత్సహిస్తున్నటువంటి మా తెలుగు ఉపాధ్యాయుడు రమణ గౌడ్ గారు. Hey, let us give a big round of applause now. Please come on to the dais. Shruti Madam, so teaching mathematics. So now I would like to invite her onto the stage. Please come on, Shruti Madam.
The secret behind the success is supervisors only. Next, I am a KDS faculty, so my student KDS. Yes. Thank you. Akila, madam, please come on to this. And now I go to all the faculty and students only teacher mammalni class me class ko vallani ishtapadtaru kani ee vyakti nee school mottham ishtapadtaru. That is none other than Vakil bhai. The higher of personality talents to the legend of KDS Srinivas sir ki any time backbone is a Vakil. The head of the non-teaching staff, Vakil. Next. మనం ఎవరు లోపలికి కృష్ణగిరి క్యాంపస్లోకి రావాలన్నా ఆయన పర్మిషన్ తీసుకొని రావాలి. ఆయన double side పెట్టాలి. కృష్ణన్న చాలా ప్రేమగా ఓపికతో ఫోటోలు వీడియోలు తీసి గ్రూప్లో పెడతా ఉంటారు. So I want to call Krishna Digital Studio. Krishna Garu, please come on to the stage for presentation.
Bisa lamuni berbentuk ikuni.
Sofia Master Smoothie Mr. Kasturi Kataro Dagina Cell phone on a ceiling, Papuro on a power, Castle on a computer, Marapurani, I know so much we miss you.